Well, hello there, fabulous people. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be soaking some fruits for our Christmas cake. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, I'm going to be using some dried mixed fruits. This is a combination of raisins, sultanas, and currant. The next thing I'm going to be using is some mixed peals. These peels have already been chopped. They're dried and chopped already. So I'll throw that straight in there. Our next ingredient for this is going to be some chopped nuts. Throw it all in there. And I'm going to be using some Glaze cherries. I'm going to just simply roughly chop these cherries. Not too thin and not too thick, just some rough chops. Once I'm satisfied, I'll just throw it all into the mixture. Now this is going to be a very boozy Christmas cake, so I'm going to be using a combination of rum and brandy. So I'm adding 1 glass of rum and 1 glass of brandy to my very boozy Christmas cake mix. However, if you're trying to make a child-friendly or non-alcoholic version of this cake, you can either add 1 glass of orange juice, lemon juice, apple juice, pineapple juice, and cranberry juice to your mix. That will make a very nice fruity non-alcoholic cake mix. So once you've added as much rum and brandy as you want, just simply give it a good mix. Now simply store it away in any sealable container you have laying around in your kitchen. I'm going to store it for between 4 to 6 weeks. And I'll also give it a good mix every 2 to 3 days just to keep the consistency flowing. So if you come back again next week, I will show you how I use these soaked fruits to make my Christmas cake. It's going to be absolutely delicious. So let me be first to wish you Merry Christmas in advance and hope to see you soon when we eventually can take these boozy soaked fruits to make our lovely Christmas cake. Thank you all so much for stopping by and for watching. I'll see you again next time when we make our Christmas cake. Merry Christmas in advance. See you later. Bye bye.